What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the Battlefield 6 unknown error, which is error code 1850008S on your PlayStation 5. If this code keeps popping up, there are a few quick things you can try that usually sort it out. Start by fully closing the game. Don't just back out to the home screen, actually close the application and launch it again. This error can show up after long periods of inactivity or if the game loses connection in the background, and a quick restart often clears it. Next, highlight the game on your PS5 and check for an update. Make sure Battlefield 6 is running the latest version, cause missing updates can trigger errors like this. After that, go into your settings, head to users and accounts and restore your licenses. A lot of network related issues on PS5 are tied to license verification, so running this option helps more often than people think. Then open manage game content for Battlefield 6. If one of the data packs is out of sync or corrupted, it can trigger this error code. You can delete the add-on packs one by one and reinstall them, or if you wanna be absolutely sure, delete the entire game and re-download everything fresh. Now let's fix the network side. Go to settings, then network. Now select settings, then go up to setup internet connection. Choose the network you are using and under the Wi-Fi frequency band, switch it from automatic to either 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz, whichever is more stable for you. Then go into advanced settings, change the DNS from automatic to manual and set primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and set your secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Save the settings, let the PS5 reconnect and then restart your console. Once everything loads back up, launch Battlefield 6 again. In most cases, the error code 1850008S should be gone. That's all there is to it. If this helped, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.